Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use embed blocks on Squarespace so your website actually shows up in search results. Let's get right to it. First, open up your Squarespace site and click Edit on the page where you want to add your content. Click the Add a Block button in the section you're working on and select Embed from the menu. Drag and drop the block to place it exactly where you want it on your grid. Next, you need to add your content. Click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. If you're embedding a link from a major site like YouTube, Vimeo, or Twitter, you can simply paste the URL directly into the main text field. Squarespace will automatically recognize the link and display the video or post for you automatically. If you have a specific piece of HTML embed code from a third-party website, pasting the standard link will not work. Instead, inside those same block settings, click on Code Snippet, then click on Embed Data. This is where you'll paste your custom iframe or HTML code manually. Finally, you can customize how it looks. You have the option to add a description text below the embed or even upload a custom featured image that visitors will see before they click to interact with the content. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top left corner of your screen. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.